side. All right, I'm gonna show you how to fix a few little issues you might come across after you've installed a new seal. The first thing I'm going to show you though is how to remove the door. So on the top of the door is going to be a plastic clip just like this, and you just need to force that clip off, and there'll be a metal plate up here, and there'll be 3 screws that you just need to loosen and remove. So I'll just quickly do that now. It's 1, 2, 3. Just be careful. So you remove the pin hinge, which will look something like that, and then you can lift the door up and take the door off. The door just sits on another pin hinge on the bottom, so you've got a pin hinge on the top like that and another one on the bottom. It's just removing those 3 screws. This is also how you adjust the door. So if the door's dropped or it's not straight, what you want to do is remove the door and then put the door back on. And then you make sure the door is straight, and then you tighten those screws back up. Remove that door. The other issue you might come across is sometimes when you put a new door seal on, you'll get some gaps down the side. So as you can see on this side, there's a big gap just down here where it's not sealing properly. I'll show you how to easily fix that. What you're going to need is a hairdryer or a heat gun, but preferably a hairdryer so you don't melt the seal. I'm going to plug this in quickly. There you go. What you're going to want to do is open the door and warm up the door seal with a hairdryer. I like to lift it back and give it some heat underneath. Just like that. The seal will get nice and soft and pliable. Like that. And then you shut the door and you come back around to where the gap is and you give it a bit more heat. So now the door is sealed perfectly. There's no gaps whatsoever. It is absolutely perfect. What you want to do is leave it for 10 minutes until the seal cools down, and then the seal will stay in that shape. That's pretty much the only issue you're going to come across is some gaps, but it's very easily fixed with a bit of heat on a hairdryer. If you come across any other issues, let us know and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.